Hello everyone, first we're gonna take the front hair, dividing them into two, then making two ponies at each side and then converting one ponytail at each side into braids, then taking the other ponytail we have left with and again making a braid but by taking little amount of hair from one side and then keep on adding it in the braid. Then we're gonna take both of them and then joining it to the remaining hair and making a final braid, then folding it into half and adding rubber band. Next, we are going to take a ponytail, taking some hair, then dividing it into two braids. We're gonna keep on making two braids by taking little amount of hair from each side like this and then adding it to our braid. When it is ready, we're gonna section our hair into two at the back and then making two braids. Next, we're going to take this hairband and applying it onto our hair. Then we're going to take some hair from one side, taking two hair strands and then start making a braid along with this hairband. When your braid is ready, just repeat the same process with the other side as well. Then taking more hair from one side and then again making the second braid. And then we're going to add rubber band for securing it. Next, we're going to section our hair into two, making a ponytail and adding these colorful threads to it. Then along with the thread, we're going to divide our hair into two and then start taking some hair from both of the sides and then adding it to our braid. After the braids are ready, we are going to secure it by a rubber band and now you can see your hairstyle looks so colorful and beautiful. Next, we are going to section our hair into four parts, taking two ponytails at each side, taking the side ponies and then folding it once and then making two braids out of it, joining it further to the ponytail at the bottom. Next, we're going to take two ponytails at each side and then converting them into two braids and making this beautiful bow, taking the remaining hair and making two braids at each side. Next, we're going to section our hair into two, joining the ponytails with the braids and then taking the ponies and converting them into this unique style bun by folding it once and then making a braid and joining it to the remaining hair. Next, we're going to take two ponytails joined with the braids. Then we're going to add some rubber bands onto our pony, add some spaces. Then we're going to fold it out and making this beautiful bow, thereby adding this red ribbon as well in the middle.